Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to turn your old Wi-Fi router into a wireless range extender without spending any extra money and without needing any extra wiring. Let's get started. First, connect your old router to your laptop or PC using an Ethernet cable. Then, open your browser and go to the router's admin page. This is usually 192.168.0.1, or you can find the correct address on the label at the back of your router. Log in using the default username and password, which is usually admin for both, unless it's written differently on the label. Once you're logged in, go to System Tools, then Factory Defaults, and click the Restore button to reset the router. You can also do a physical reset by pressing the pinhole reset button at the back for 10 seconds. After the reset, go to the status page and confirm that the WDS status is showing as disabled. Next, we'll change the router's IP address so it doesn't conflict with the main router. Go to Network, then LAN, and change the IP address from 192.168.0.1 to 192.168.0.150. Make sure this new IP is in the same subnet as your main router, but not exactly the same. Click Save. The router will now reboot, and you'll access it using the new IP, 192.168.0.150. Now let's connect our old router to our main router's Wi-Fi. For doing that, go to Wireless, then Wireless Settings, and check the box that says Enable WDS Bridging. Click the Survey button to search for your main Wi-Fi network. When you find it, click Connect, enter your Wi-Fi password, then click the Save button. The router will now reboot. After saving, go to the status page again and make sure the WDS status now says Run. That means the connection is working. Now go to DHCP settings and disable the DHCP server. This allows your main router to assign IP addresses and prevents conflicts. Click Save. The router will now reboot. If you'd like to set a different Wi-Fi password for this extended network, go to Wireless, then Wireless Security, and enter a new password. Or just keep it the same as your main Wi-Fi for easier switching. Now unplug the Ethernet cable, turn on Wi-Fi on your laptop or PC, and connect to your old router's network. Open google.com or any website to check if you're online. If it works, congratulations! You've turned your old router into a Wi-Fi range extender. Just a quick tip, using WDS bridging will reduce your internet speed compared to the main router. And the farther your old router is from the main one, the more the speed drops. If you don't want any speed loss, the best option is to set up a wired connection between your main router and the old one using an Ethernet cable. That's it. You've successfully turned your old router into a Wi-Fi extender. No extra cost, no extra wiring. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe for more smart tech tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future tech tips. And feel free to ask questions in the comments below. See you in the next one. Take care.